Aaron Walters,
Yeah.
29 years old. I live in Minnesota, Pipestone.
Minnesota.
Yep. Little small town. Technically, I work for my dad, but I work for myself. I own my own truck and trailer. We're just a 2-truck operation right now. There's only 2 trucks in the under Walters, and we have a few guys that that pull our trailers. Not really leased on; they have their own authority, but they pull our trailers and then they haul our loads too. So I think we started this business back like 12 years ago or so. It's 2019 Peterbilt, the 339. It's a glider truck, 18 speed, and it's got 433 rear.
Yeah, what's the engine?
It's got a cat in it, 99 cat. No, it's a factory heavy haul truck. It's got a 14,600 pound steer axle, and then 22 axle steer, or the pusher axle, then 46 rears. Ordered it new. Ordered it back in the end of 18, and then I didn't get the truck until the summer of 19, and then we didn't start driving it until September of 19. It took a few months to get put together and whatnot. Everything that we did to it. So
did you do all the custom work right at the beginning?
No, I did it in phases. So everything that I did, I had a little bit of the interior painted up. Motor and transmission were all painted up, to match the truck, and then I had all the fenders in the back and whatnot. Pretty much everything in the back of the truck was done right away.
Okay.
And then it was about a year later I did the interior, floors, and then more painted stuff and whatnot. A little bit of the trim pieces and whatnot. I just took them off and had a guy paint them for me, and then installed them back on basically. And like the door pockets as well, some of the door stuff as well. Actually, all the door stuff, I should say. Peterbilt of Sioux Falls did the interior, and then New Gen Services. They're out of the Port Allen, Louisiana.
Okay.
They did all the fabrication on the outside of the truck and whatnot. Since cab extenders, they're 12 gauge, they're 8-inch drop, 8-inch Lincoln exhaust. I got 12 gauge parts everywhere on this thing, from steps to mirror brackets to air cleaners.
Headlights.
Oh yeah, right. Those come from a 379 Peterbilt. They used to have like a blinker on the out, like an amber blinker on the outside of them.
Right.
We ended up taking those off and then shaving it down and then repainting it, give it a little bit more cleaner look and whatnot.
Okay.
And the headlights, those are J&W speakers, projector headlights. My airline holder, yep, it's kind of oil-filled, design-ish in a way. So, I think there's only just a couple of us in the that I know of that are running a style just like that. So they actually built another truck that had that on there, and I seen that and I thought that was pretty cool, So I just had to duplicate that.
And that's New Gen that did that.
Yep. Yeah, because it's kind of unique, It just looks different. Been a part of my dad's business for like 4 or 5 years now. I've been driving for 7 or 8. Pretty much been around trucking my entire life. So, and then there was a portion in my life that I thought I was gonna do something else, and then I ended up coming back to it. So here I am,
right,
loving it every day. Yep. We haul a lot of cranes for the wind tower sites, so I would say that's about 80% of our 85% of our freight.
Okay. And
then we also move yellow iron as well. A lot of cat equipment, or mining equipment. RGN, it's 12 axle that I pull.
Okay.
12 axle. We got 2 of them, and then a couple step decks, and then a couple smaller guys. 12 axles. Yep. It's 126 feet long.
Yeah.
Overall, the truck and trailer.
Yeah.
I'm grossing about 220,000 average. Yeah. Yep. In the fall, or actually say in the end of the year, I'll be getting rid of that 12 axle for another 13 axle. So I'll be adding one more axle onto it, add some more weight.